Hello everyone. So today's chapter is unbeatable supermom and who is the unbeatable supermom? Mary Kom. Ever heard of her? Mary Kom, I'm sure you all have because she's become one of the greatest personality in sports. Before diving into what this chapter is all about, I'm going to ask you a question. Whenever any woman or any athlete becomes a great person, do you think it is easy to be that, to be famous, to have such physical strength, to endure so much physical workouts and everything? You think it's easy for any person? If you take Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, how do they become so famous? How do they reach the position they are in today? What do you think is the reason? Firstly, dedication. They have a lot of dedication for their work. They work hard for what they want and they work every day. Now, when I say Mary Kom, who do you think she is? I'm sure you all have heard her name, but who is Mary Kom? Any idea? Thinking, oh yeah, I have heard her name, but I don't really know what is she famous for. What has she really done? What is she known for? What is all of that? What do you think? I will tell you what is she famous for. She is famous for boxing. Wondering, oh wow, a female being famous for boxing? Because usually we associate men or boys when it comes to boxing. When we think of a female or a girl pursuing boxing as a career, you must be wondering, wow, that is something different. That is something great. And that is why Mary Kom was so famous, because she became a famous personality in boxing and won many medals worldwide. In the very first paragraph, what have they done is they've introduced us to Mary Kom, where they said that she was born in the KOM tribe in Manipur. So this is the surname she gets from, is from the tribe of Manipur. That means, where does she hail from? She hails from Manipur. Then we have been told what is her whole name. Her whole name is Chungnijiang Mary Kom. Although we all know her by Mary Kom, that is her full name, Chungnijiang Mary Kom. When was she born? She was born on 24th of November 1982 in the KOM tribe of Manipur. She became a very famous boxer and she rose to fame because she is a 6 times world amateur boxing champion. So this is a championship where she was the champion. Champion means being the winner. She was the champion. Champion means winner. 6 times she won this award. That means 6 continuous years she won this award, and she was also the only woman who won medals in the World Boxing Championships. So when I say World boxing championships. So these are various competitions, various boxing competitions, and she has won 6 times. She has won medals. For 6 years, she has won medals. So you can see how famous she is, how smart, how intelligent she must be, and how focused she would have been to her career and to boxing. Now, what was the highlight of her career? When I say highlight, in everybody's life, there is something that stands out. When I say stands out, it means something that defines them, something that has happened for the very first time and that has made them proud or famous, anything. So what was the highlight of Mary Kom's career? She won an Olympic medal. And which medal? A bronze medal. Olympics. What's Olympics? You all know Olympics is held every 4 years and it's a very, very mega event. When I say mega event, it's a very big event where number of competitions are held relating to boxing, carom, chess, and number of competitions are held. And the best part is that hundreds of countries participate. So in Olympics, what happens is there are various countries that participates, and from that countries, various citizens of that countries participate. So if today I go to Olympics, participate in Olympics, that means I'm representing India. So when did she win this medal? She won it in 2012. Now, why is this the highlight of her career? Why do I say this is the highlight of her career? Because she was the only Indian woman boxer. Only one. That means the only one Indian woman boxer to have qualified for Olympics. And after being qualified, when I say qualified, why do I say qualified? Now, for Olympics, there's this rule, or I can say a criteria to be a part of Olympics. Not everybody, if tomorrow I say that I want to be a part of Olympics, I want to go and represent India for badminton, I say. But I can't do that. There are certain criterias that had to be met, and after which, if I meet those criterias, if I'm shortlisted, then I become part of the whole Olympics game. So she was the only woman boxer to have been shortlisted for Olympics, and after being shortlisted, she made the entire country proud because for the first time a woman was given a bronze medal from India. So she was representing India and she won a bronze medal. Imagine what a big achievement. So many countries participating, and she, out of all of them, she made India proud by winning a bronze medal. Continuing to the next paragraph, to the start of this chapter, it's a basic introduction to all of this. It's a repetition, I can say, to all of this. And then they say that she is a warrior. What does a warrior mean? A warrior means a brave, experienced fighter. Now here they've said it in the sentence that has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world? So a lot has been said about this great warrior, a brave, experienced fighter. So she was a fighter, and that is why she has been termed as a warrior who conquered the world. What does the word conquered mean? It means to take control or to overcome. So, what had she taken control? She had taken control of the Boxing Women League and she had conquered the world. She had taken over the world by her dedication, by her bronze medal, and everybody was very, very proud of her. Now again in this paragraph, they've said that she was the only one. The sentence used here is, she is the only boxer to win a medal in every 6 of the world championships. So, 6 world boxing championships. Now, they've said this again, where they said that Olympics 2012, she won a medal, bronze. But now there's a new word that's come here, flyweight. What's the word used here? Flyweight. Wondering what flyweight is? Yes, I'll tell you what flyweight is. Flyweight is when any person is boxing, there is a weight criteria. The weight of who? Of yourself. So if I am 50 kgs, I will not compete with someone who is of 70 or 75 kgs. I think you've guessed the answer already. Yes, because it will be partial. Why will it be partial? Because obviously the person who is weighing 70 kgs will have much more energy and muscle power than what I have, than what a 50 kg person will have. So flyweight usually revolves around around a boxer with 41 to 51 kgs. And here they've said that in flyweight, 51 kg she was competing. That means she was 51 and she was competing with someone who was also of 51 kgs. So you see how detailed the competition is. Flyweight 51 kgs. And that is when she won the bronze medal. Now you see how famous she was. She already was by 2012, winning so many medals, winning the one medal. Now you must be asking, she won 6 medals over here, 6 times she became the winner over here, then why is only Olympics so important? I'll tell you why is Olympics so important. Firstly, because I said it's held only in every 4 years. And secondly, it's because almost all the nations of the world, almost I'll say, not every country participates, but all the major countries participate in this Olympic medal, in this Olympic championships, Olympic games. And that is why it becomes of so much importance, because everybody wants to be better than the other. Everybody wants to make their country proud. Now, if I am winning a medal in Olympics today, it's not just me who is winning it, it is my entire nation who is winning it. So when bronze medal was won by KOM in 2012, it was not just her who won the bronze medal, it was the entire nation who won the